Welcome, my dear children. I hope you all are good and are safe at home. This lesson is for class nursery. Topic is alphabet letter A to L revision. Children, in today's lesson, we will revise alphabets A to L with the help of the book My Awesome Alphabet Book. Children, this is alphabet A. A says A. A says A. A for apple. A for apple. Children, repeat after me. A for apple. Very good. Children, now we will revise alphabet B. B says B. B says B. B for ball. B for ball. Children, repeat after me. B for ball. Yes, very good. Children, now we will revise alphabet C. C says K. C says K. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. Children, let us revise alphabet D. D says D. D says D. D for dog. D for dog. All of you repeat after me. D for dog. Children, now we will revise alphabet E. E says A. E says A. E says A. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for children, elephant. Now we will revise alphabet F. F says fur. F says fur. F for frog. F for frog. Children, repeat after me. F for frog. Yes, very good, children. Now we will revise alphabet G. G says G. G says G. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. Come, children, let us revise alphabet H. H says her. H says her. H is for horse. H is for horse. All of you repeat after me. H says horse. Children, now we will revise alphabet I. I says E. I says E. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Children, let us revise alphabet J. J says J. J says J. J for jug. J for jug. Children, repeat after me. J for jug. Very good, children. Children, come. Let us revise alphabet K. K says K. K says K. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. Children, next alphabet we will revise is alphabet L. L says L. L says L. L for lion. L for lion. Children, all of you repeat after me. L for lion. Very good, children. Have a nice day.